I say bananas, you say peppers. And you guys may notice something. I am vertical today. Let me know how y'all feel about this. Honestly, I feel like I watch so many videos on YouTube now that are even over 60 seconds. Like they're not a short, but they're vertical. And I'm kind of really enjoying that. Like for some reason, it brings back like old YouTube vibes. Like I'm just sitting in my car with my phone and I like that. But let me know if you guys like that or not. I've been thinking about filming a video this way for a long time and I just have never done it. So I thought today's the day, because today is going to be a shorter video because I have the new KFC mini brands. Did y'all even know these were happening? If y'all watched some of my other recent mini brands videos, then maybe you knew they were coming, because I did talk about, I either pre-ordered these from Amazon in December or January. My memory fails me. However, I swear when I placed this order, I ordered 5 balls. Only 4 balls came. What's up with that? I literally do not know. Maybe I made a mistake and I did only order 4 balls, but that's usually not a number of things that I order. I'm usually always ordering 5. I also ordered 5 of the new mini brands Master Chef, which those are supposed to be the ones that are directly competing with Miniverse. You get ingredients and you make miniature little dishes. Those I know have been in Target already, so why my Amazon pre-order has not arrived yet, I do not know. But hopefully they will be here soon, because I have been to many Targets lately for another mission and I never saw them in any Target store. Also, is this freaking anybody out? Maybe I should take this off. It is kind of a questionable fashion accessory, I suppose. God, also my tummy is growling. I was just like filming a TikTok for the first time in like 1,000 months. And I thought, you know, what's a conversation piece other than a little roachy boachy? So let's go ahead and get into it. Let me know. I literally cannot think of another singular food brand that has ever done a mini brand collab. Once again, we're at the frozen moments. It seems like these are going to possibly be the most rare, where it looks like the food is in action. I know that there's like Subway and other stuff. I never have gotten any of those, the restaurant ones, but a singular food brand, you guys, I feel like KFC is like all about it. You know, like if there's something funky and fun, I feel like KFC is gonna do it. Some of my favorite Crocs I have ever owned in my life were the KFC Crocs collab. It's kind of what got me into collecting Crocs, honestly. So I feel like KFC, and then they did like sunscreen that smelled like fried chicken. I think they've done fingernail polish. They also did like a fireplace, like a log that is supposed to make your house smell like fried chicken. Does that sound delicious or vile? Let me know. Y'all, why does this smell like Barnes & Noble inside? Here's the chart. We will consult that later. Here are the little bags. How adorable are these? So they all do have special KFC mini brands branding on them. You guys, at first when we switched away from the orange balls and into the paper packaging, I kind of loathed it. But the more of these I get like this, the more that I like them. Also, red nail theory. I'm testing that out today. All right, you guys, what's up first? It's a bucket of meatballs. Y'all, meatballs. I'm gonna be honest. It has been a really, really long time since I've eaten at KFC. I also keep wanting to call KFC Chick-fil-A all day. Why? Literally, tell me this does not look like spaghetti and meatballs. Now, I think KFC does these really interesting like meal bowls where it has like some kind of potatoes in it, or even where you would get like your biscuits. That was always my favorite thing personally, the KFC biscuits. So maybe that's what it is like one of those meal bowl things. But tell me, does that not look like spaghetti? Oh! Yay! Y'all, oh my goodness. I was actually really, really hoping for this when I saw this as a frozen moment. It is a spilling soda. It looks like ice cubes are just getting like dropped into the cup. Like it's just splashing soda everywhere as you get your ice cubes. And I really like that. I've been on a soda kick lately, more than I would like to admit. And so I kind of feel like this is kind of my aesthetic right now. Soda and ice cubes. Up next, is it more soda? Oh my God, look, it is. Plain, non-spilling soda and spilling soda. Which one do you like better? It's focusing on neither. It's focusing on my face. Here we go. Ta-da! Here we go. You know, the only thing I would feel like would make this even more possibly magical is if we had like paper cups. I usually don't like the paper mini brand things, but this time I'm like, why not paper? Okay, what is this? Fries? Secret recipe fries? I like really did not know that this was a thing, but these are so cute. Secret recipe fries. What does that even mean? This kind of does make you want to eat KFC. Like, once again, haven't had KFC in 1,000 years. Now I'm kind of like, do I explore my drive-through options? And of course, you guys, we have a big old bucket of delicious KFC. Yummy, yummy. We have a drumstick right on top. That was always my favorite piece of chicken to get at KFC. I don't really feel like that's that uncommon. I feel like everybody likes the drumstick. No? Do you not like the drumstick? If so, tell me why in the comments down below. All right, bowl number 2. Let's go ahead. I love opening mini brands now with tweezers. Honestly, when I'm usually filming my little shorts, I just kind of find it more satisfying to open them that way, whether I'm wearing fake nails or not. Like, they usually come off in one gratifying, like, single peel piece. So look at that. These honestly, like, the wrapper feels like really nice. Does that sound really stupid to say? I don't know. It's like they're opening easier. The opening is more satisfying. Except for that, they don't really want to pop open. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm starting to put together something. You guys, do you think you get a bucket of chicken in each one? Now this looks slightly differently seasoned. Like, maybe the new one we just got up top looks a little bit spicier. So maybe this is supposed to be like the spicy recipe and that's just like regular chicken. But I wonder if they wanted to ensure that in every bowl you would get at least one chicken bowl. Cause I feel like, you know, people probably getting like KFC minis, you want a miniature bucket of KFC, you know? How about a singular drumstick? I feel like that could have really been fun. Oh my gosh. You guys, look at this. I feel like this is some kind of pot pie, but like, look at that. Okay, and then this piece literally comes off. Look at that. Wait, does the whole crust comes off. Look at that. You can see the chicken pot pie underneath. You guys, KFC must have like extremely expanded their menu since the last time I was there, because I don't remember pot pies. Oh my gosh. Look at this, you guys. We got a paper product. Look, it's like a little paper sleeve. There's like a sandwich inside, and the inside of the wrapper is actually like the foil to keep your food warm. But look at this delicious looking miniature chicken sandwich. Y'all, I really feel like they put a lot of time and effort into these. Like, these honestly are some of the most delicious, realistic, miniature looking foods I have seen from mini brands in a long time. Y'all have to let me know, like, am I sincerely missing out by not getting some of the, like, what is it called? Like, takeout mini brand, foodie mini brands. Am I missing out? Are they all this cute? We have 2 more. Another soda. Y'all, I feel like this one must be extremely common because here it is again. What is this? Y'all, okay, it's another bucket and it does like have a paper. Well, I'm trying to determine right now if it's a paper or a plastic insert and if it lifts out. No, I'm just like literally destroying this. If I see another video like this after I upload mine and I do see people like lifting the paper insert out, I am gonna feel so silly. But I feel like right now I'm just like scratching the sticker. Like I'm making it not look cute. So I give up. Plus I feel like maybe they would leave one with a permanent paper insert on the top just to give you like a little bit different variety. Like, see, you guys, I literally thought KFC sold like biscuits, mashed potatoes, and fried chicken. I did not know about the french fries, the pot pies, or the chicken sandwiches, frankly. And I feel kind of silly because I feel like a couple years ago there was like a fast food chicken sandwich explosion. Let's see. And then after this one, we're gonna open the chart. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, we're actually only opening 3 today because I did open one ASMR style, but that'll just be a short on this channel, so you'll get to see it anyway. What is this? Y'all? Wait, did the other one come like this? This is so, I must have just like thrown this or something and not noticed because it's a repeat of the pot pie, but this one came with like instructions. They're like, you can take a slice out. You can take the whole skin off. I keep wanting to call it pot pie skin. That sounds absolutely vile. And I'm sure none of you will want to eat a pot pie now. Okay, this once again, it feels like a chicken bucket and it is another one with a paper top. Let's find out what's next. Oh, it's the pasta biscuit dish. Spaghetti and meatballs, I don't know. See, we're starting to get mostly repeats. Ooh, we got metallic nuggets. Oh, y'all, I just thought that the frozen moments was like the super rare thing. I didn't know that there was metallic as well. I didn't really look at the chart the other day when I opened it ASMR style. All right, you guys, last one. Oh, coleslaw. I literally did forget about KFC coleslaw, but that is something I feel like that we used to get a long time ago. All right, you guys, let's look at the charts and then I'm gonna tell you guys my thoughts. Okay, so there are 2 legendary options, which is the fries and the chicken, and they're gold. Then we have iconic, which we did get one today. That's the spilling soda. Then we have luxury, which is, oh my gosh, are the normal fries? Yeah, okay, that's very interesting. So the normal seasoned fries, that is a luxury, and the metallic nuggets are also a luxury. Then we have ultra rare, which is the sodas. Y'all, I didn't get the biscuits. Biscuits is an option, which is honestly like the thing I used to probably love the most at KFC. Their gravy and biscuits. I love like gravy from fast food establishments. I literally don't know why, but I used to always love the Whataburger gravy as well. Then the seasoned chicken, that is a rare. This one they say is a rare. And the coleslaw is a rare. And then common is the chicken sandwich. That's actually pretty cool to see that the chicken sandwich, the pot pie is common and just the normal bucket of chicken is also common. So here's the chart again, just in case you guys want to see. And I would love to know your opinion about these. I, once again, think that these are amazing. I was getting kind of sad and kind of discouraged about mini brands with their past couple of launches. I wasn't crazy about the sneakers. I wasn't crazy, unfortunately, about mini brands fashion series 3. But now I feel like the past 2 types of mini brands that I've unboxed. Oh, and I was like a little bit lukewarm, honestly, about the books. I felt like they were cool, but I also felt like they could have been more detailed. But then the last 2 mini brands things that we've unboxed here together, the mini brands My Miniature Baby, or I guess these aren't called mini brands, but they are 5 Surprise, so it's like basically the same thing. But these have honestly knocked it out of the ballpark. These are some of the most amazing miniatures that I've unboxed, in my humble opinion, in a long time. And these are really, really amazing as well. High quality, very detailed, like they actually look like miniatures of the things that they're supposed to be. My only little complaint, but it can't really be helped, is there's not a lot of options. So I would really suggest only getting 1 or 2 of these balls because you're gonna end up getting a lot of repeats. I don't know if it said how many different ones there are to collect 20. So I feel like definitely I got quite a few repeats, like just getting 4 balls. So yeah, unless you're planning on like splitting them with friends or something, or you don't mind repeats, I would maybe just get like 1 or 2 balls, and then your chances that you're gonna get the same thing over and over again are not too high. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with me today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is gonna be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!